What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Chef Jeffrey's Kitchen. My name is Jeff Pachtman. I am a chef turned personal trainer who specializes in fat loss and recipe development. If you're interested in that sort of thing, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon and let me know, comment down below, let me know what kind of recipes you guys want me to create next. It can be Mexican, Indian, Asian, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Thai, whatever you like, whatever dish you want me to recreate a low calorie, high protein version of, I am up to the challenge. Just comment down below and let me know what you want me to make next. Without further ado, let's get into today's video because I think you guys are going to absolutely freaking love this high protein huevos rancheros. I thought it was absolutely incredible and I know you are going to as well. And this recipe is super simple and easy, guys. It is incredibly easy. So let's get into it. Without further ado, I'm going to explain to you guys exactly how to do it step by step. Alright, I've got 3 mini street corn tortillas here. I'm going to spray them with a little bit of nonstick, get them coated, flip them over so they get crispy in the oven. Then this Rosaria no-fat green chili and lime refried beans. I'm going to spread 1 serving over these 3. Top it with the Canadian bacon. Super high protein, guys. Then I'm going to pop it in the oven on 400 degrees for 10 minutes. Now we're going to start cooking the eggs. Spray your pan with a little bit of nonstick. Crack your 3 eggs in there on low. Put them on like medium low heat. You don't want a lot of color on these eggs. Then you're going to put a cover on top of the pan so that they slow cook. We want those yolks to be semi-cooked. And obviously this depends on how you like your eggs, right? I like mine around over medium, so this is for over medium eggs. If you want them over easy, you can go a little bit less time. Obviously we're gonna cover them. I'm not going to flip those eggs. Okay, after they come out, these eggs are done. Notice I did not season the eggs. Okay, load up the eggs onto each tortilla. A little bit of a struggle here trying to get them out of the pan, but there we go. Perfect over medium eggs. Top it with a little bit of hot Pico De Gallo. This is the game changer, guys. This is what's going to give it that freshness, that pop. This is, if you don't have Pico De Gallo, go get some or make some yourself. I didn't feel like making some, so obviously put some of that. This is some salsa guacamole with habanero. This is 45 calories per serving. I didn't even use a full serving. I used like half a serving, so 20 something calories, and it just adds so much to the dish. And then I put some cotija cheese. This stuff is great because it's shredded so finely that it is actually super low in calories for the amount that you can use. This is the end product. This is the finished product. Beautiful. And guys, this tastes even better. We're going to get into the macros right now and I'm going to show you guys, break it down for you guys exactly how many calories and how many grams of protein were in this thing. Okay, so we're looking at 488 calories with 36 grams of protein, 40 grams of carbs, 8 grams of fiber, and only 19 grams of fat. So super macro friendly, guys. Low in fat, relatively low in fat, higher in protein, and moderate carbs. And you've got a filling breakfast. What's crazy about this breakfast, guys, is it actually kept me full from 9 a.m. until like 1 p.m., which is rare for me. I have a super big appetite. So yeah, it's not the highest in protein. If you want more protein, you could always scramble up some more egg whites on the side. You could add a couple more slices of Canadian bacon. You could even have a protein shake on the side, guys. There's tons of different ways that you can incorporate more protein into this meal. But if you just want something that's going to taste good, fill you up, and impress the hell out of whoever you make this for, it literally takes less than 10 minutes to make, and I promise you it's going to shock and wow everybody you make it for. Alright, so make this recipe. If you make it, tag me on Instagram. Let me know that you made it. And leave a like down below. Leave a comment with what you guys want me to make next. And also, I have a special offer for you guys. If you're looking to lose a little bit of body fat this summer and you don't know where to start, you don't know like how many calories you should be eating, go check out my free calorie calculator down below in the description section of this video. Okay, this is going to give you a great starting place for your calories for fat loss, and it'll help you achieve your goals. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video and talk to you soon.